Okay, so we're going to use the 4-inch 3/8 nap to apply the Citristrip to the door again here. And we're really going to put a lot on here. And now once the door is nice and moist and wet, it's easier to apply than the first time that I applied it. So this shouldn't really take that long. Okay, so that's going to take care of that there. I have my brush down here that I'm going to put the plastic back on so that doesn't dry out there. And now for the plastic here, I have my painter's tape here. And I'm just going to spread this out just slightly larger than the width of the door here. And use the scissors to cut it there. And then find the top of it and shake it to unfurl it. And then just in one shot, go up and around. And pull this down here. And use your hand here to get the ear pockets out so that it's stuck there. The more that it's stuck to the surface, the longer it'll stay moist and wet. So we're just going to let this sit for like another half hour, and then we'll be back again to try to remove more of the oil-based gel stain on a fiberglass door. Okay, so we're back here, and we've given this Citristrip probably like another hour to lay on there, and we put the plastic on there to mask in the moisture, to keep it moist, and hopefully it'll start to dissolve the once again the oil-based gel stain that was applied 6 or 7 years ago here. So I will put that down here, and once again we'll go to remove the plastic here. We'll grab from the top. I'll grab it from the bottom and slowly pull towards the center so it comes off there, and then this is just simply going to go in the trash here. Okay, so you can see that the Citristrip is still on there. There's a lot right here. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to focus in on this area right here again, and as you can see, it started to blister up more of the stain there. So just know that you're gonna have to do like several coats of this. Okay, I mean, it depends on what type of paint. If it was like a latex paint that is on a steel door or a wooden door, this could probably work in just one coat. But for the oil is much more. It dries to a harder sheen than on latex paint. So it's going to be more difficult to remove here. So once again, I'm going to use my scouring pad here, and we're going to start here. And as you can see, it's starting to remove it a heck of a lot more than the previous coat there. I'm trying to scrub up and down with the grain here. Okay, and as you can see, it's pulled up or bunched up. So what I'm going to do is start to use the fresh part of this corner here. Oh wow, and that really helps there. And I'll come down here. So it's probably taking off like 90% now. Okay, and as you can see, it's all gummy up there. So we're going to go to this corner here. And when you go to a new one like that, it really helps. Okay, so there's a corner here that I haven't used yet. Now the areas, like I'm applying a lot of pressure here, but I'm seeing that it's not going to come up, so I'm not going to keep doing it hard, trying to put more of the pressure on here. It's starting to blister, so I'm going to go back. Now I'm just going to throw this away because there's all the Citristrip in it, so I'm just going to get rid of this one and then start with the fresh one. But before I do that, I'm going to come back to my plastic blade here to remove this here. Okay, and then I'm actually going to try a green one here. Let's see if that helps. Okay, so I'm not satisfied with the way that this is coming off here. So let me go back to this one here. Oh yeah. And again, just make sure that you have a piece of plastic down here for the remnants that fall down to like the ground here, because there will be stuff that's going to fall. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I'm going to continue to do the rest of the door here. I'm gonna probably scrape all of this stuff off here and get as much of it to look like this, and then probably apply another coat of the Citristrip, and then put the plastic on it again, so that we can get even more of this off, and especially in like the grooves and whatnot. So I'm going to continue to work on the rest of the door, and then I will see you guys on the next part.